Hello, dear students. Today we shall start a new poem of class 9. The name of the poem is A Slumber Did My Spirit Still. So, which is composed by the great poet William Wordsworth. So, William Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1770 in Cockermouth, England. So, he was one of the founder of English Romanticism. Some of his famous poems are The Solitary Reaper, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, and My Heart Lifts Up. So, this poem, A Slumber Did My Spirit Still, is taken from a series of 5 poems known as Lucy poem, which is composed by William Wordsworth between 1798 and 1801. So let's start the poem. A slumber did my spirit still. Slumber means sleep. A slumber did my spirit still. I had no human fears. So the poet is telling that a sleep packed my spirit. A sleep packed my soul. I had no human fear. Since the poet is sleeping, he had no human fear. As sleep packed his soul. He had no fear of human. When a person is sleeping, he doesn't care about anything. Likewise, the poet is also sleeping. He had no human fears. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly years. Now we can see that the poet is not describing about himself. He is describing about someone else, a female. So who is that female? She is Lucy. So Lucy is the loved one of the poet who has died young. So the poet is in a deep sleep and his spirit is packed by the sleep and he is dreaming about the girl Lucy who had died young. So the poet is telling that she seemed a thing that could not feel. Lucy became a thing that now couldn't feel because she is dead. The touch of earthly years. What Lucy couldn't feel? Lucy couldn't feel the years of the earth, the days of the earth, the time of the earth. She couldn't feel it. No motion has she now, no force. So Lucy doesn't have any motion now. She cannot feel anything. She has no force. She neither hears nor sees. So now the poet is again telling that Lucy neither hears nor sees. Lucy couldn't hear anything nor could she see anything because she is dead. Rolled down in earth's diurnal course. Lucy is now rolled down. That means the loved one of the poet, the soul of his loved one is now rolled down in earth's diurnal course. Now the soul is rotating with the earth's course. Days are coming, nights are coming. His loved one's soul is also now rotating with the earth's axis, with rocks and stones and trees. The poet is telling that his loved one's soul is now mixed up with rocks, with stones, with trees of the earth. That is, the poet is telling that the natural beauty of the earth, the natural things of the earth, taken her loved one away from him, taken his loved one away from him, and her loved one's soul is now rotating with the earth's axis. Her loved one's soul is now mixed up with rocks, stones, and trees. So I hope you understood the poem. Thank you everyone.